Base44 just released their super agents to the public, and tools like OpenClaw and Claude Cowork are already shivering, because the super agents are coming for them.
I hope you appreciate my little intro here, but now let's see what we can actually do with Base44 Super Agents. But before we start, really important, you will find my partner link down here in the video description. And when you click on it, you can sign up for free to Base44 and try it out. And at the same time, you're helping me and my channel to grow. So thank you a lot if you click on the link, and it will bring you to this page. So they claim the AI agent that does it all, and it's ready in under 1 minute. So that's pretty cool, because normally an AI agent, like for example OpenClaw, you need to buy a server or a computer where you can set it up, and it's kind of technical, but Base44 works here on the website in your Chrome browser, so you don't have to do any technical setup. So let's go ahead and see what it actually can do for us. So down here you have some use cases. For example, it can handle your Gmail inbox, so it can write emails for you, but it can also plan your travels for you, so book a flight for you or check your flight schedule, or even take care of your personal life, for example, reserve a table for you. And in business, of course, you need some reporting. So on Friday at 5 p.m., it could send you the sales data of the week to your WhatsApp, to your email, or even to your Telegram. So these are just some use cases, but of course in this tutorial I will show you some more. And the cool part is it connects via API to your tools. So for example, you can connect it to Gmail, to your Google Calendar, to your LinkedIn account, or to your Notion account. And yeah, I would say let's try it out. You can just click on the link down below here in the video description. Then you can just click on Start Building, sign up with your email or your Google account, and then you will land on the Base44 dashboard. And probably you've heard of Base44. Normally it's a no-code vibe coding tool for apps, so you can create your own apps with Base44. But now they introduce super agents, and here you can just create a new agent for you and start talking to him. I have created one in the last 2 hours. He's called Jeff, and he helps me with my content creation. So for example, here on my German YouTube channel, I just published a new video, which is about how you create your own app with Base44. And he downloaded the video and read through the transcript, and then he made a LinkedIn post for me out of this video. So this is pretty cool. This is a LinkedIn post, and it has the tutorial link in there. It has the partner link to Base44 in there, and I'm pretty happy with this. And he posted this 40 minutes ago for me. Of course, it's in German now, but you get the idea. And he didn't stop there. He also created an entire blog post for me about the tutorial, and here he also posted in the link, as you can see, even with an FAQ section down here. So Jeff, my new AI agent, really took some tasks off my plate today and already helped me with that. So this is pretty cool. But now let's create your agent. So therefore, just click on Create New Super Agent. And now he says, hello, hey, I'm your new super agent. What would you like to call me? Let's say Sarah. And now he answers, Sarah, simple, classic, works for me. I'm Sarah, your personal AI assistant who can actually do things for you. And how does it actually work now? So Sarah, she has a brain, and she has some knowledge about herself. So she's an agent, a super agent. She's warm, sharp, and gets things done. And here she even has a soul, and she can learn more about ourselves. So in the chat, she's asking, so who are you? What's your name? Hey, I'm Julian, and I'm a YouTuber. I do tutorials in English and German. And yeah, that's basically me. I'm 38 years old already. And yeah, just that's it. And now she's thinking. That's good. And now she saved this information down here in the knowledge section. And she even made a joke about it. 38 is the new 28. Don't even worry about it. So yeah, I already like her. She's pretty cool. But probably this is not something new. You can do this with ChatGPT. And what's actually special about the super agent, you have here the integration tab, and you can connect your super agent with your tool stack. So for example, you can connect it to Slack, to Notion, to Gmail, to Google Drive, to your calendar. And once it's connected, it can pull data from there, or it can even publish something. So for example, you can pull your next meeting from your calendar and put it in an email and send it out to your team via Gmail. Therefore, you just have to connect the tools. So you can just click on connect, and now you can choose your email account which you want to connect. For example, this one. And of course, while you do this, you can select different access rules. So these tools connect to your Super Agent via API. For example, here on my Wix account, I gave it access to just the blog post feature, so it can only publish blog posts for me. But I told it that it shouldn't just publish it. It should send me a notification about that the blog post is ready and send me a draft so I can approve the draft before the AI agent is posting this. And now we have connected our Google Calendar and our Gmail account, and I could go back to the chat window here and tell Sarah, hey Sarah, so I've connected my calendar and my Gmail account, and please get my latest email and draft me a reply for it. Then I can just send it to Sarah and she starts working on it. And honestly, I don't know what my latest email was, so hopefully nothing private. And now she replied, that's actually a WeWork marketing newsletter, not something I would want to reply to. But then she got the next one from Marcel, and he's following up on an email, and he wants me to include his link in an article of mine. And then I can just say, hey Sarah, so archive the email marketing newsletter and please make a draft for Marcel that I don't want to do this. So please decline his offer friendly. And then I can just send it to Sarah. And now she gets to work, and then we can check my email account if she made a draft for us. And now she's done with it. So she archived the WeWork newsletter and also set up a draft for Marcel's email. So let's go to my email account and check if she's done that. So here I'm under drafts, and Marcel, he wrote me an email in German, and Sarah wrote up a reply for me, and now I can just go ahead and send it. So I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty cool because now I can tell Sarah every morning, go through my entire emails, and the ones I don't need to know about, like newsletters, for example, just archive them. And for every other email where I need to reply, just write up a draft for me. And then I can just go into my Gmail account and check the draft. And if I'm happy with it, and then I can just hit send. So I don't know, it's pretty cool and pretty amazing what we just set up in under like 10 minutes here. And you can also take it out of Base44 here and connect your WhatsApp or your Telegram, so Sarah can send you messages. So therefore, just click on it, and then you can just open WhatsApp in your browser. So just go ahead and click on it, and then I just use it in the web. And here I have a Base44 AI chatbot here, and then I can just send this activation code, and then it would be connected. And I don't do it right now because I already have Jeff here, so I can show you Jeff. And I did that before. I sent him the code, and then he said hi. And today he already sent me the draft of the LinkedIn post, and I just needed to approve it and tell him, yes, please share it. And then he went ahead and posted it for me on LinkedIn. So I think this is amazing. So you can just connect WhatsApp, you can connect Telegram, connect your integrations, and then you need to get creative what you want to do. You can also just upload files, and for every task you do with the agent, it creates sometimes files or tasks. So here on the task, we don't have any automation yet, but we could tell Sarah, for example, you can just go ahead and say, hey Sarah, please every morning at 8 a.m. check my entire inbox, and then the emails I need to reply to, just set up a draft for me, so I just need to hit send. And please run this task every morning at 8 a.m. And then I can go ahead and send it to Sarah. And now she's done. Every morning at 8 a.m. I will scan your inbox. And now under tasks, you will see the tasks. So morning email drafts. And you can see how many times she ran it and how many times it succeeded. It can, of course, fail. So sometimes it fails, and then you just need to go in and fix the bug. And here you can just click execute. So it's running now. And if you want to deactivate your tasks, so for example, you're on holiday or something, you can just deactivate it, or you can just delete it. And this is pretty cool. But you can also just tell Sarah, hey, I'm on holiday for 2 weeks. Just send out like an out of office reminder for everyone. And a quick summary. So you can talk to Sarah like you would talk to ChatGPT, and just tell her all about you. And she saves this under the knowledge. So here, for example, she knows about me. And if you want to introduce more of you, you can just talk to her, or you can write it down here. And you can also control Sarah's soul, which is kind of freaky. But then you can just go in and tell her, hey, you need to be direct with me or something, and then she will be direct with you. And of course, we saw that you can connect it to WhatsApp, and now you can even talk to Sarah from your smartphone. And I don't know about you, but I think this is amazing. So I think it's pretty clear what you can do. Just start chatting with Sarah, tell her all about you, and then you can automate daily tasks and Sarah will get to work for you. And really important, you are on a free plan on Base44 and you will see your monthly credits here and your integration credits here. So every time Sarah is doing something for you, an integration credit will be deducted. But you can start using it for free. So as said, you will find the link to Base44 and the Super Agents down in the video description. If you have any questions, just comment down below and then I will just answer it for you in return if you use my link. Thank you a lot. And yeah, I don't know, the world is changing very, very fast. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye.